What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's time. Hold start. Alright. So I got some more videos coming up for you guys. Of course, when I get 100 subscribers, the giveaway, which I'll be announcing soon. So I need you all to like, subscribe, comment, share. So who doesn't love the sound of that V8 coming alive? Honestly, is there anybody out there that does not love that? Because if there is, I gotta tell you, I feel sorry for you. I truly do. Truly do. Truly do. Bear with me while I get my stuff together here. Oh boy. Let's see here. There we go. What we'll do, gotta get my GoPro thing ready. And I think I got another. Let me see here. Let's see here. I'm not a huge fan of this, but we're gonna see what we can make work here. Okay, well, unbelievable. I really don't like this thing, but it's off the GoPro here for. Anyway, I digress. On my way to get some fuel here. Again, who doesn't love the sound of a good old American V8? Well, it's probably a lot of people. If you're one of those people, maybe this channel isn't for you. But there's tons of you like me who, when you hear the throttle go up on a V8, even some of the newer V6s, inline 6s, diesels, whatever, you start to get a tingly feeling. You know, whether it's Dodge, Mopar, Ford, Chevy, whatever it might be. I mean, you just gotta love the sound of a V8. You're hearing it in the cab, of course, right now. Yeah. Now this is with an Installer Series, MBRP Installer Series exhaust system, cat back, of course. Eventually my plans are for some shorty headers. I don't need long tube. I don't want to piss off my neighbors too much. Shorty should be enough with a new MBRP XP series cat back. Maybe at some point high flow cats from MBRP or somebody, or Magnaflow or someone. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll get a Borla. I don't know. That's very expensive. Shoot, the price on this MBRP and Star Series has gone from, I think I paid $298 for it 3.5 years ago or so, and now that same exhaust system is about $440 something, $450. So yeah, about 3 years ago. So that tells you how prices have gone up. Hope you all have enjoyed the last fit videos. I got some more last fit stuff coming. A couple of turn signal bulbs. Might try to get to the tinting of the headlights and all today. It's going to be a 2-part video. I might not. It's very cold, kind of windy, so that might not be ideal conditions for that. We'll see. But there's going to be plenty of videos coming your way. Some cleaning videos, some tips, some maintenance things, and plenty of other stuff. Trying to think here. Got some new products. The exhaust will be coming at some point. Have not ordered it yet. I'll reveal that in another video, as well as tail lights, and maybe in the future some new headlights. If you all are fans of the Morimoto XB headlights that look like the Trail Ball style, get at me, because y'all gonna love that. With a little twist, there'll be a little front end change coming here as soon as I can muster up the funds to do it. Right now I've been saving, stashing away with overtime for about 6 months now, and I've gathered up almost 700 hours, not quite 700 hours. Just putting a 20 here and a 10 there, you know, just doing that kind of thing. Stashing like a squirrel stashes nuts in a tree. I mean, it's sometimes what you gotta do. Because we just paid for a roof, so that was not cheap. You know, we just replaced the AC and heating unit in the house 3 years ago, almost 4. That was very expensive. We were able to have enough money. We paid on the credit cards and paid them off as quick as we could. Got aggressive, didn't go out to eat, didn't really do much of nothing like that. So yeah, I mean, that's what it takes sometimes. Working overtime, working some side hustles. Had to work some side hustles to save up some money for stuff you're gonna see coming soon on the channel, guys. That's just the nature of the beast sometimes. This channel only has 19 subscribers. I'm thankful for you, every one of you. Gonna do plenty more videos, but I work in general 60 hours a week. So I mean, it takes, you know, I got time with my wife. We're trying to have kids. It's just trying to start a family and other stuff I volunteer for. It is what it is. I do the best I can. If that's not good enough, it's not good enough. I'm not going to stretch myself to the point where I'm broken just for YouTube. But I do want to make good videos, and for the most part informative. Sometimes just some relaxing, talking and cruising videos. You know, like this one is sort of.